Okay, let's use plugins. Plugins are really useful so we don't have to do things from scratch. So you can go, I have recents because I was just playing with this, but you'll go to manage plugins and you can search. I searched icons, which is why you can see I brought things up. But you can search, let's say, icon. And for me, since these are recent, so they come up on top because I have them, but you could search here for different options depending on what you're searching for. So let's say I did this icons 8. And you can see I have a whole bunch of icons that I can use. Or let's say I don't want to use these. You can also use the search feature. I'm going to use it Iconify because that's a pretty good one. But you can see there's different ones here like X, which is pretty common, trash. But let's say I want to go to here and, here. And I'm going to get a different plugin. I'm going to go to manage plugins and you can bring up other plugins too. It disappeared. Let me bring it back. Okay. So now I'm going to search. I'm going to get the Iconify. And here there's lots of different options. So I want a home icon. So let's say I take this home icon. And you can see there's different options that are darker, lighter. But I want a home icon. And the second icon I want is going to be food because I like food. And I'll take a dark option to match this one. Okay, and then my third one is going to be friends because I also like friends. And we'll see here. Let's put this here. And we'll try to navigate. We'll assume our app switches between home, between food, and between friends, depending on what we're doing with our app. Okay, so that's how you use plugins. You can, get whichever plugins you want, assuming we're using free ones, and you can search for things and bring icons up. And that's a really good start. And let's see what happens as we go from here.